cookies?
Yeah.
The reindeer look pretty hungry. They ate most of the apples.
Yeah.
And look, he took the stockings down.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're all full.
Daddy,
Matthew?
Santa take our stockings down.
Where'd he put him?
Right here.
Whoa.
Oh.
A present on the back.
Yeah. You know what that is, honey? That is an ornament. That's an ornament to go on the tree.
This is an ornament, Daddy.
That sounds pretty cool. Do you want to put it on the tree?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. What do you think? Do you think it fits right here?
What?
What about right there?
No, it's too hot.
Oh, here you have it.
Mommy,
Yeah.
reindeer.
What kind of reindeer?
Little doll.
Oh my goodness.
Yay!
He now has something to hang. He's my friend.
He is a friend.
That's
He's
right.
not an ornament. He's a friend to play with.
Or he has a snap. That's like a reindeer.
A snap?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
I'm going to put this in my bag.
Okay.